And if they wanted, they thought Dennis had committed an offense under the law, why did they issue summonses to appear before DCIO? So this country is not a banana republic where somebody just wakes up one day and decides to make the law. And those people who are in these government offices that run the apparatus of interior and homeland security should be put on notice that their time is coming up and Kenyans will make a decision. And I want to warn them that it is illegal to abduct anybody. It is illegal to detain anybody without trial. And they might think now they have power, but in the next 7 to 8 months, I can assure them they will serve their jail terms, because you cannot violate the constitution and walk away scot-free. That's why we have the constitution. If we didn't want to have the constitution, then we wouldn't have the constitution in place. So we want to call Kenyans of good name, Kenyans that to pray for the family of Dennis Itumbi. We are keeping vigil. This should be a happy season, should be a Christmas. Dennis should be spending with his family. You can see the family members are here. The police and the powers be and autocrats that are using, and you know the sad thing, my brothers and sisters, is that they are using our taxpayers' money to frustrate and make us suffer. But it is so sad. But we shall soldier on. We shall turn together. And this issue of punishing by the state of anybody who supports William Ruto must come to a stop. Why is it that they are punishing Dennis Itumbi because of supporting the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto? If they think, why don't they support their candidates without intimidating us? And as some of us no longer fear, they can use the bullet, they can use police station, they can create, and I want to urge them, because they want to arrest everybody that supports William Ruto, they should start building many police cells and prisons, because they will need to put millions and millions of Kenya inside, because if they believe that will stop the Hustler Nation movement.